What's up, you guys? So I am back with another video. So for today's video, I am going to be receiving a in-home pedicure from my amazing aunt. And actually, this will be a first. Like, I normally get my pedicures done at a salon, but for today, I'm getting it done by my aunt at home. And I mean, quite frankly, I'm trying to figure out, like, what did I do to deserve this? But I am just very, very thankful and appreciative of her. Also, if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get to it, okay? Let's go. I'm coming. All right, so now that I am all set downstairs, we are going to do an overview of the products. So the first runner up, we have the cuticle pushers. And I also have this product right here, which is from Amazon. I'm going to read you all a brief description about this product. So it is by The Face Shop, and it is their Smooth Skin Body Peel. And then it says it's the perfect product for anyone with rough skin on their body and is looking for an easy to handle body peeling spray. And then we have our cuticle remover. And then we have our foot files. All right, so we are going to be using the Asa Viva Foot Spa. And as you can see, it is pretty big, spacious. Okay, so my aunt purchased the Asa Viva Foot Spa off of Amazon, and this is what it looks like. As I stated previously, it is very spacious. And this right here, you can control the temperature. It goes up to 48 degrees. And then the lowest is, okay, 35. Here's the on and off button. And then we have a red light bubble. This basically changes the color. Look. Ooh. Yes. And then it bubbles. All right, and so right here we have the timer, just in case you want to time yourself. And then this button right here, it basically will massage your feet for you. Massage button. Now look at that. Wow. All right, now I'm about to put my feet in the water. Let's see what we're working with. Woo! This is hot, y'all. She's trying to burn me. Trying to burn me. Okay, I can do this. I'm gonna take you like a G. Okay, I don't want the massage. Let's turn that off. This water's too hot.
We're gonna work on the leg cuticles.
All right, you guys, so now I am back. Y'all, that pedicure was amazing. Like, it just felt so good. She did a very good job. Just to sit there and relax and to have somebody do your, toes for you is like amazing. So yeah, I definitely thank her for doing my toes. Keep in mind that she is not a professional, but she did a really, really good job. All right, you guys, so that concludes my video. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more.